Hello YouTube. If you don't have access to Photoshop or any of the advanced photo editing software and you want to remove a background quickly, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. So go into Google and type in Adobe Background Remover, and it should usually be the first one that comes up. Go ahead and click this. You can sign in via Google if you wanted to, or you don't have to sign in. If you sign in, you get more options, but go ahead and upload your photo. So I've just got a photo of a woman here. It will then run its course in the background and it will remove the background for you. So as you can see, it's now removed the background from that photo I had. What you can now do is you can add a background if you want to. So I'll go ahead and give you an idea of what this looks like. Go ahead and agree to that. Some of these backgrounds are predefined and some of them are premium, so you'd have to sign in to use them. But you can just go ahead and give any one of them a go. So I'll just go for a very basic one here. And as you can see, it's added the background onto it. That's the quickest way to do this. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.